Welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video, I'm going to dive into 3 profitable Amazon KDP keywords that have to do with one specific niche. Now, this is part 2. I did part 1 in the previous week. You can also check it out, linked in the description box below. And if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, click on the bell icon, click on the subscribe button in order to be informed on all our new daily videos. And you could also find a 30-day free trial for Creative Fabrica linked in the description box below, so take advantage of that. So we are now going to talk about the travel guide niche. This is part 2, as I said, and the first keyword is what not to do Scotland travel guide, and it has wonderful results. First of all, we have a really strong keyword niche score by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension right at the bottom here. It's given us a number 9, which is highest on the scale, categorizing this wonderful keyword as a great niche. Coming to the total results, they're sitting at a super low 12. The average bestseller rank also is under 400,000, and it is averaging 265,768. Average reviews are 190, and the average price is $9.75. So this is a travel guide about Scotland, but specifically it focuses on what not to do. So it's important for you to fulfill the promise in the title and utilize this wonderful keyword to create a wonderful travel guide filled with information that's going to be helpful for the travelers, images. It's important also to see how usually travel guides are laid out in terms of the book structure, like for example including a this book belongs to page, including a glossary at the end of the book, including maybe information about the author. Also a table of contents would be helpful as well, and this will really help to get your book selling. Now scrolling down, we have the first book with a BSR of under 100,000. Our aim is to find a minimum of 3 books on the first page with a BSR of 100,000 or less. Of course, the lower the better. This one's sitting at 17,211. It is also ranked successfully in 3 different categories, which is also a good idea to see what your book is ranking, and also in terms of choosing the right category for your specific book. And also this has been recently published in 2024 in January. It is selling around 300 copies per month. Coming down as well, we have the second book with a BSR of 13,508, selling around 330 copies, generating around $2,000. We have another book with 17,000. We have a couple of other books as well that fulfill this promise, such as this one. We've got this one as well with a BSR of 52,000, selling around 90 copies per month, generating around $392 on a monthly basis. Also this one with 35,000, generating around $749, and we have managed to find over 5 books with a BSR on the first page under 100,000. So this was fabulous. What not to do Scotland travel guide. Get onto it, and I highly recommend you get started. So the second keyword is UAE Travel Guide 2024. UAE Travel Guide 2024 has a keyword niche score of 62 by Self-Publishing Titans Chrome extension and a number 7 by Amazon Scout Pro, categorizing this as a nice niche. Coming down to the total results, they're sitting at 224. However, the average bestseller rank is a little bit on the higher side, sitting on an average of 870,761. Average reviews 43. Average price is $11.52. If you currently do have any travel guide book that you published or anything to do with travel, for example a travel journal, a travel activity book, then you might want to add this wonderful keyword to the 7 keyword slots for your book and to get it ranking under this keyword as well. Now, as you can see, there are a couple of books that are selling quite well under this keyword. For example, we've got 112,000. We've got another one sitting at 65,000, which is lower than 100,000. And that is also great to see. Now, it's selling approximately around 60 copies per month, generating revenue $375. We've got other books as well that are selling quite well under this keyword. So don't be worried about the bestseller rank being slightly high. As I said, you can either create a book that's the exact same title but without the year 2024, because we are halfway or nearly halfway through the year 2024, so you don't want to give it an outdated look and feel. Just do a UAE travel guide, but then you also can sub-niche according to the audience, whether it's for children, whether it's for adults. If it's for adults, is it for specific people who are business people, for example, or maybe nurses or doctors or teachers. That way you would be able to offer some customized advice for them. You can have the book written by a ghostwriter. You can write the book yourself. You can use ChatGPT to come up with a structure of an outline of the book as well. Don't use word by word, and make sure to make edits as well for your book. So that was the second keyword. Let's dive into our third and our final keyword, which is Morocco travel guide. Now, Morocco travel guide has a keyword niche score of 84. Absolutely fabulous. Now, this is one of the most profitable out of the total three keywords that I have for today's video. Morocco travel guide, really fabulous. Keyword niche score of 84 by Titans, and a keyword niche score of number 6 by Amazon's Cut Pro Chrome extension. Coming to the total results, they're sitting below 1,000 and currently sitting at 720. Average bestseller rank is also within the ideal range, which is under 400,000, sitting at an average of 309,306. Average reviews is 65, and an average price is $15.41. Scrolling down, avoiding the 2 sponsored posts, we have the first book with a bestseller rank of 26,212, selling around 240 copies per month, generating around 1,465. Next book with a BSR of 28,000, selling around 240 copies, generating approximately 1,980. We have our third book, 55,000 as the BSR, selling around 90 copies, 552 on a monthly basis, and other wonderful books as well that are selling quite well. As you can see, we've found a total of 3 books with a BSR of 100,000 or less, and that is also a great indicator as well. So that was the last keyword, Morocco travel guide. You can even sub niche whether you want it to be for children, for adults, for seniors, for retirees, for students. I wish you all the best. Take care and have a great day. Bye bye.